conversation so that we have a little time to have a conversation with him, having the same words that we can express only on him. Said there are meeting place with him. For example, other than church, you can also use your rooms or a quiet place where you live near, or a park where you can concentrate and have peace while having a conversation with him, while talking to him, while embracing the things that he've done with us. And lastly is start each day with them.